pirate's life for me. Hello, folks. Welcome back. You can tell by my scruffy demeanor, my fishing shirt, the bottle of rum in my hand, the pirate flag. Oh, wait. That's today's underwear. And, of course, my floppy fishing hat. For I'm the one, the only, I am the dread pirate Hobo Tom. And welcome back for another video about the pirating adventures along the Halfix River. Again, let's listen to some pirating music. Avast! Me hearties, yo-ho. Yeah, so this time I took my lady friend and her sister out for a little evening boat ride. So folks, this is what heading north out of the Halifax harbor looks like. We went underneath the bridge. I now know that I need 11 feet of clearance under the one bridge. So that's good. Now all I need is the depth finder and someone to install the depth finder. And then it's just the radio. Actually, the depth finder I get about 7 more days or so. So that's a good sign. Arrgh! Yes, so enjoy the video, folks. Again, bye. Oh, wait, no, don't go bye. There we go, going north. Those are the sea breeze bridges up there. Doing pretty good. Finally got off a full. That's where I'm going. The restaurant. And my crew. There we go. And there's the moon up there. Well, see, the thing is, we're going at almost 0 knots because the current's going that way. And I just barely have the engine above idle. So
we have no gas, so we're gonna die.
we have, honestly, it's just, all it does is bounce off full.